how to check all devices logged into your Yelp account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see which devices are signed into your Yelp account, well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check logged in devices in Yelp app with just few simple taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just tap on the option labeled as security settings. And here, once you see the interface like this, here you'll see all the devices that are currently logged into your Yelp account. So here, if you want to log out that device, you can just tap on the logout button beside that device name, and after that it will be logged out of your Yelp account. And that's it. That's how you can check all devices that are logged in to your Yelp account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.